Nice.
Welcome to Slay Edge Media, and this is the 2022 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Now, for the highs, it's blisteringly quick, eye-catching exterior, and fairly luxurious inside. Lows, it's got little room for cargo, doesn't include Android Auto, and lacks advanced driver assist. For the verdict, for the few who can afford the insane price tag, the SF90 delivers equally insane performance. Now, the Italian sports car icon Ferrari isn't the first brand to come to mind when thinking about plug-in hybrid powertrains, but the 2022 SF90 Stradale offers an electrified setup with 986 horsepower. Now, the official numbers for 0 to 60 from Ferrari are 2.5 seconds, but others have tested and come at 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. Now, the 2022 Ferrari SF90 starts at $516,000, but goes up to $573,000 depending on what trim and option you get. Now, keep in mind, there's also a number of different wheel designs and a list of available upgrades, including carbon fiber components, titanium exhaust pipes, and digital rearview mirror, plus more. The SF90's interior is fairly sedate, with the yellow prancing horse logo adding a splash of color on the center of the steering wheel. The two-seat coupe is home to a sculpted dashboard with fluid lines that mimic the flowing design of the car's exterior. With high-performance exotic, cargo space is typically in short supply. This is certainly the case with the SF90, which provides roughly 3 cubic feet of room for your stuff. But in a car like this, come on, let's be honest, are you really worried about cargo space? All SF90 models come with an LCD monitor up front and 6-speaker sound system. The car is also equipped with standard features such as Bluetooth, streaming audio, real-time traffic, and integrated navigation system with a voice-activated feature. Apple CarPlay integrated is offered, but Android Auto isn't on the list. But what you lack in tech and gizmos, you make up with pure performance. Now, hypercars aren't typically known for offering a broad selection of driver assistance features, which is true for the SF90, of course. But honestly, who cares? With the SF90 power coming from a big V8 with 3 electric motors, the 4.0-liter twin-turbo turbocharged V8 generates a mighty 769 horsepower on its own, and the trio of electric motors provides an additional 217 horsepower. In the end, the gas electric powertrain generates a net output of 986 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. Power is sent to all 4 wheels, making it the first mid-engine Ferrari with all-wheel drive. Now, if you like that video, go and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe because there's more videos coming soon.
Nice.